Wait, what is this? Where are we? Who's what? Is this the Blazor puzzle? Am I at the right place?
Oh, I'm not at home. I'm not in my home studio, and it looks like you're not in yours.
No. This is the Blazor puzzle. I'm Carl Franklin from AppVNext, and that's Jeff Fritz from Microsoft, and we are at the Dev Intersection / Next Gen AI conference.
Wait, you are too?
Yeah. Is that where you are?
I think so.
In beautiful Las Vegas. Beautiful, very hot, and poor air quality today, Las Vegas. Yeah. Did you know it's poor air quality because of the fires that are happening in California and the smoke is blowing this way?
I thought somebody just had a bad experience making s'mores down the hall.
Oh, that was last year. All right. Well, let's jump into last week's puzzle. Here we go. Okay, so this is an interesting one. This is a quick grid that's configured to display a list of previous Blazor puzzle episodes. And you wanted to use this virtualize, right? And turn it to true. I guess I'll just do that now. And when we turn it to true, nothing shows up. That's why we called it virtually nothing. Yeah. So let's just run just to prove that we're not crazy. I mean, we might be crazy, but it's entirely beside the point, isn't it?
That's different.
So there you go. Virtualized.
There's nothing there.
Nothing there. All right, Jeff, what is the solution to this puzzle?
So it turns out when you use the virtualize feature inside the quick grid, in order for it to know exactly how many records it's presenting, you also have to give it a total number of records that it's presenting. So if we look down at the grid items provider on the lower half of the screen here, so we're assigning the items that are being returned, but we also need to return in that grid items provider result a total count.
That's it?
That'll do. Go ahead and run it.
There it is.
And there we go.
And now it's virtualized. Isn't that beautiful? And pretty simple.
Easy feature, just turning on a little attribute. Make sure you return the parameters that it requests.
Right. Well, Jeff, that was pretty cool. And I did notice that it was kind of hard to find in the documentation. There weren't a whole lot of samples with that.
No, there aren't. But fortunately, the API is such that if you were to use the constructor to create that items result, it'll actually force you to specify that total item count as a required parameter.
Okay. Well, we actually did have somebody who got it right today.
Terrific.
Actually, we had multiple people who got it right. But the winner that we chose from random is, drumroll please, Danny Bremner from Brooklyn, New York.
Hey, congratulations.
And for having his answer picked from all the right answers we got, Danny is going to win one of these. A Blazor puzzle mug, which is entirely gluten-free, by the way. Yeah, that's amazing.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know how they did it.
Oh.
And we are also giving away another prize to Danny, and it is one of these. A completely non-confrontational Blazor puzzle t-shirt.
Okay.
Yeah.
I dig it. I dig it.
Nice to know. And congratulations, Danny. Send us a selfie of yourself wearing the t-shirt, holding up your coffee mug, and drinking your favorite beverage out of it. With that, let's get to next week's puzzle.
Oh, man. Puzzle 49.
49. Okay, this is a simple Blazor web app with global server interactivity. Okay. And we have an edit form for a simple model with 2 data annotations for validation. So let's see here. This is what we have. We have an edit form. We've got a person class, and these are our annotations. This is a required field, and the string length can't be greater than 10. Okay? So if you've done any Blazor validation, you probably know what this is all about.
Those data annotations right there, they're available across all of .NET. More than just Blazor, you can use them in ASP.NET and WPF and all the places. It's a great cross-cutting feature that .NET has.
Absolutely. Okay, so we have a new person, and that is our model. So the EditForm model is at new person on valid submit down here. And we have our data annotations validator right there, which you need if you're going to use annotations validation. Name, input text, all right, submit button, and it all works like you would think. Okay, so let's just test it out.
Okay.
So if I hit submit, it says the name field is required. Okay, and so if I just make something like that, boom, on valid submit. All right. However, if it's too long, blah, 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 name is too long. Okay, so this is how it works. That's not what we want. What we want is to do some custom validation. For example, we want to not allow submitting if the name contains the string Java or something else, right? How do you do that? How do you do that?
So let me get this right. You want to be able to restrict and say these words are banned.
Yes.
And cannot be submitted. And you want that to appear in the validation summary for this page.
Absolutely. Yeah, we want it to plug into the whole validation system. We want to not allow that on submit to happen if we get that, and we want to show a custom error.
Okay.
So
I have thoughts.
I'm sure you do.
But I think our viewers have the solution to this.
I'm sure they do, because they're very smart.
Yes.
So friends,
unlike me.
And me. So friends, help us out. Do you know how to do this? Are you willing to try it? Give it a shot. And don't post the answer on social media, but instead send it to Jeff and me at blazorpuzzle@appvnext.com with the subject puzzle number 49. It is 49, right?
40. Yes. Yeah.
40. Okay, 49. Good. And good luck. Obsess away, folks. We'll see you next week.
Take care, friends.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out blazortrain.com and the .NETshow.com for more great content.